What's the meaning of containerized? Containerized. Containerized.
Containerized. Containerized. Containerized refers to the practice of packaging software applications along with their dependencies, configuration files, libraries and other necessary components into a self-contained container. This container is designed to be portable, isolated from the underlying system, and can run on any infrastructure that supports it. The result of containerizing an application is improved consistency and reliability, as well as easier deployment and scaling across different environments. Containerization uses technologies such as Docker, Kubernetes, and OpenShift to automate the process of creating, deploying, and managing these containers.